Okay. Ganyan siya, maglalaro lang siya mag-isa niya? So, kailangan linisin siguro do'n? Linisin? Ah. Ah! Yung masakit? Oo. Okay, oh, JD is coming. Kick! Ni mother! Naman kanya! Hala! You almost kick your grandma! Alin? Ayaw, alam na niya. Punky wood daw. Grandma said she wanna burn it. The wood. No, she's getting it anyway. Hala. Tinapon ni Habi, pupulutin ni mother. Go! Kick! Yeah. Seems like it's lowered now, huh, Jade? Did Daddy need to put it up? Daddy said it's lowered now. Ano na? Alin, ni matamaan ka dyan. Guys, be careful. Matamaan ka. Hello, Des. Ay, oh, grandma daw ni. Ready, set, go. Kick. Oh, wow, that's a strong kick. You're like gonna be Ate Dong. Smile nicely. La. She need higher hand, it lowered down now. Well, it's lowered too low. So are you gonna the grass here, Annie, or no? Okay. Oh yeah, because there's strawberry here. Oh, where's we gonna put your swimming pool? Oh, over on the other side? No, but that's a nice grass. At least keep that nice grass there. Yeah. Put it here, yeah. Oh wow, that's a big one. Yeah. No, we did that one because we don't have a round. We have so much round already. Hi, princess. Wow. That's all right. Hello, hello, Maricar. Whoa, whoa, you know it already. Again. Kembot Manak. Wow. I do this one. Maybe do it your feet other like that. Wow, nice. Is your pants big? Do you need a belt? Whoa. What happened? Your eye hurt? Still hurt? Are you excited with your swimming pool? Oh, don't. Oh, it's don't. Oh, it's not locked.